Welcome. In this video, we'll walk you through the updated steps to share a WhatsApp community invite link. Whether you're inviting friends, family, or colleagues, these simple instructions will help you expand your community effortlessly. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Once inside, navigate to the bottom of the screen and tap on the Communities tab. This is where all your communities are organized for easy access. Next, select the community you want to share. Once inside, locate the three dots in the top right corner of the screen and tap on them. From the drop-down menu that appears, choose Community Info. Now, you'll see various options related to your community. Tap on Invite to proceed. This will bring up several ways to invite people to join your community. From here, select Share Link. This option generates a unique invite link for your community that you can send to others. Finally, choose your destination for sharing the link. You can send it via WhatsApp, chats, email, or even other messaging platforms. Simply select where you want to share it and hit Send. And that's it. By following these steps, you can easily share your WhatsApp community invite link and grow your network. Thank you for watching.